Roll-up door sales in La Habra. You want your doors to work, pure and simple. When broken hinges, jams, and other problems happen, it can severely reduce the function of your property. With roll-up door sales by your side, all door problems will be resolved quickly and effectively. Dial 562-665-8026 to learn more about our services. For more information, please visit our website, www.rollupdoorsales.com, or contact us through phone 562-665-8026. You can visit our office, La Habra, California, 90631. Roll-up door sales.